Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're signed into Amazon and you've installed Google Authenticator on your phone. Now let's connect them. From Amazon's security settings, open two-step verification and choose to add an Authenticator app. Click the option to show a QR code. You need that code to link accounts. Make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic. This keeps codes synced. If you use a separate device for codes, have it nearby. Scan the QR code with the Authenticator app to capture the secret. Once you scan the QR or paste the 16-digit key into Google Authenticator, the app starts generating 6-digit codes every 30 seconds. That's how it stays secure. Enter the current code into Amazon's verification field and submit. If Amazon accepts it, you'll be prompted to save backup codes, download or copy them to a secure place. Make sure to label the Authenticator entry so you know which account it's for. If you use multiple devices, add the same key to each before finalizing. Complete setup by confirming two-step verification is active and performing a quick sign-out sign-in test using a generated code. If the code is rejected, first verify your phone's clock is set to automatic time. Token apps need accurate time to match Amazon. Resynchronize the app or rescan the QR code if possible. If you lose the device and backup codes, contact Amazon support for account recovery. Expect identity verification. Keep one backup method stored safely to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.